Hi, my name is Ben Doan. I'm VP Engineering for Neutron Controls. Just showing our BEVOP system here. It's basically a development system for teams that are designing battery management systems, both from a hardware and software perspective. So our hardware dev kit here, it includes the main controller and some battery strips that we've developed. So the main controller uses the Oryx MCU, automotive grade, ASIL-D rated, and we also have the BMS chips here from Infineon, isolated UART, and 4 channels of BMS chips that allow monitoring of 12 cells each. So we have 4 channels. We can do as low as 48 volts all the way up to roughly 200 or so volts. For this demo here, we actually have 2 battery strips paralleled up, so you can do the series to get the higher voltage, or you can do the parallel to get the higher current. Right now, all the firmware in terms of monitoring and state of charge and state of health are done right on the Oryx chip, and then we send that data over CAN using UDS to the GUI, and again, the GUI just kind of shows what's going on. You can see here, we can actually show all the voltages of all the cells, 12 in front and 12 behind, the temperatures, and then with that, we also have pack voltage. So we currently have in a charge mode. You can see the charge current and the pack voltage. And with that, we actually have set this demo case up to be more automotive centric. So we have 2 high voltage contactors, a charger, and a variable load. So I'll just disengage the charge state here, and I'll engage the load. So you saw how we were monitoring the voltage and current for charging, but we can also do the discharge as well. So you'll see here that it'll start to monitor the current. So we're drawing a good amount here, 680, 680, and I can vary that to a bit higher, and you'll see that adjust. And with that, you'll start to see the voltage drops, and temperatures in some cases will rise. And essentially all that safety critical stuff is on the firmware with the Oryx chip. So the system's designed to let developers, both hardware and software, to get up and running. They don't have to worry about connecting things, the safety side of things, of welding batteries and things like that. But then once they get going and they've proved out some software and hardware requirements, they can redesign and retarget on their own board. But all in tandem, work on software and essentially use also the development backplane to send out via Ethernet, some I/O and things like that. So very automotive centric, and with that software we also support services, but generally speaking we provide sort of a VSP, MCALs, and we're here with Siemens in terms of the AutoSAR stack as well, so we help develop that even up to this software component level.
Great. Thanks.
Thank you.